In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs AI music generator. We'll start from scratch and go all the way to generating a complete song from a simple written idea. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press enter. In the results, click the official ElevenLabs website. This will bring you to their platform where all their creative tools live. If you're asked to sign in, do that so your projects and credits are available for use. Once you're on the site, look for the music section and click it. That opens the AI music generator. The main area you'll use here is the prompt box. This is where you describe the track you want the AI to compose. Think of it like giving a producer a brief. Include the mood or vibe, the instruments you want to hear, whether vocals should be present, the tempo, and any lyrical theme. Clear, specific direction helps the model nail the feel you're after. While short, conflicting instructions can confuse it. Here's the prompt we'll use as an example. Create a soft, emotional song with gentle guitar and warm vocals. The style should feel dreamy and melodic. Include lyrics about finding hope in the quiet moments with a soothing, uplifting chorus. Slow tempo, calming atmosphere, and smooth harmonies. This covers the emotional tone, the core instruments, the presence of vocals and lyrics, the pacing, and the overall atmosphere. Exactly the kind of detail that guides strong results. When your prompt looks ready, click Submit. ElevenLabs uses a credit system to process generations, and for this one you'll need 2,700 credits available. If your balance is low, the Submit button may be unavailable until you have enough. Credits represent the compute power required to create the music, so always take a quick look at your balance before proceeding to avoid interruptions. After you submit, the generator will process your prompt and compose the track. Give it a moment to render. Once it's ready, you can listen to the result right on the page. If the mood isn't quite perfect, adjust your wording to steer the output. Clarify the tempo, emphasize certain instruments, or fine-tune the emotional language to guide the harmonies and vocals closer to what you imagined. And that's the full workflow. Search for ElevenLabs on Google, open the music tool, craft a clear prompt, and submit when you have enough credits. With a focused description like the one we used, you can quickly turn a creative idea into a polished, emotional song without traditional studio tools. Try it out, explore different moods and instrument combinations, and let the AI help bring your musical vision to life.